Taxes. In this lecture, I will show you how you use taxes in Shopify. Okay, once we are there, I want you to navigate to the taxes button. Right over here, you can say that all the taxes are included in my prices. So the taxes are already included in my prices. It's really important. And charge taxes on shipping rates and the rest of the world. And yeah, probably taxes are, if you, for example, someone lives in the Netherlands and he buys something from America, he will pay the tax. So you don't have to worry about it as a store owner. Okay, so that was it for this lecture, people. So I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you like it, and I will see you soon.